Hello friends and welcome to our video. I am Vivek and in this video I am going to show you how to change the background color using this custom CSS in your Shopify. So let's get started. To begin with, go to your Shopify admin and click here customize to customize the options. Here go to the header section. Here you will find a custom CSS section where you will need to put the custom CSS for the class having the header. To find which class is applied to the header, go to your Shopify front end. One of the way to find the class which is applied to a header is using the inspect element. So to do that, click on the inspect. Now here select the text for which you want the class to be applied, and here you can see that for the header the class h2 is applied. So I'll take the class h2 here. Now come back to our admin and here in the custom CSS section let's apply the hover effect on the h2 class. So let's write the custom CSS code here for the hover effect of the h2 class. We'll be adding a background of red color, and at the same time once the user hover it, we'll change the text color to white. You can see in the preview also that the hover effect will work like this. Now simply click on the save button and go to our online store to see the effect. So now you can see that using the custom CSS we have added the hover effect on the Shopify header in the Dawn theme. Also you can check out our other video where we discussed about using the Global Custom CSS section in the theme settings to edit the theme style. You can find the link below in the description as well. So that's all for the video. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such Shopify tutorials. If you have any questions or requires further assistance, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep making progress in your Shopify journey. Thank you.